Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language using OBS. So if you downloaded this in a different language, very easy to switch back over to English or something like that, or to a different language. So we want to go up to File. Then the third option down will be Settings. 1, 2, 3. Now when Settings opens up, we can see under the cog icon, it'll be the first option, General Language. And we have English selected. And it seems like there is quite a bit of different languages. We even have Tagalog if you're over in the Philippines. See if we have Cebuano. Nope, I don't see that under here. So just go through this list and see if your language is available to use. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.